Hey, Dr. Tam here. I'm at a seminar right now and I just want to share some tips with everyone that I just learned this morning. My job as a doctor and a chiropractor is to get information out to you as soon as possible, as quickly as I learned it, because this was really interesting to me. Sitting is the new smoking, because people are sitting now more than ever, especially here in California. For us in the Bay Area between San Francisco and Sacramento, a lot of people are commuting. Most people are commuting. For their commuters, you're commuting about an hour and a half to 3 hours a day. And people now are sitting 70 to 80% of their day. Now, if you don't believe it, track the time that you are sitting from the moment you get up, okay? And then divide that time by the amount of time that you are awake, and you'll get to see how many hours and how many percent you are actually sitting a day. There was actually a study done in 2008, and here's what they did. They took mice that were immobilized, and which means that they were no longer moving and they're in the sitting position, mimicking people who are sitting. And what they have found is the mice increase their triglycerides, and then also it lowered their HDLs. I mean, these are two things that we want to avoid. So that's what they're seeing in people as well. Before, when we used to have metabolic syndrome, it used to be obesity, and that's when you'll cause to have metabolic syndrome. But now it's sitting, guys. And you guys have to, everyone out there, make sure you take note of it, because sitting is the new smoking. If you want to decrease your triglyceride and increase your HDL, make sure you do some walking on a daily basis, okay? Have a great day.